got Tim up in the combine. Look at this thing. You have to watch your line. But this thing drives by GPS, right?
It drives by feel on the corn rows.
Oh, no
There's
kidding, there's sensors.
So it just feels the corn rows.
Wow.
And that steers the combine.
That's crazy. I had no idea. And so you're filling up the combine right now, or? Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Oh, it's, so you're harvesting the kernels.
Kernels only.
Kernels only. How, I had no idea it was done like this.
Yep. All it does is
How about that?
takes in cobs, goes through the machine, and rubs the cobs off or it rubs the kernels off the cobs.
That's fantastic.
And it's just the kernels.
Look at this field. How many acres is this field?
150.
150 acres. And you're going to get this done in how long?
Oh, it depends how long it'll take to dry, but it'll probably take a few days.
Oh, really? That long, huh?
Yeah, I could combine it all in probably a day and a half.
Okay.
But because we have to dry it, it will take some time.
Oh, okay. So there's another step involved besides this.
Yep, we got to get the corn dry.
Wow.
It's all ran through a dry, what they call a grain dryer. Puts heat to it at 200 degrees and a big fan, and it rolls through it, and it dries it, and it comes out.
Wow.
It's coming in right now about 21.8%, and when it comes out of the dryer, it's 15%.
No kidding. How many combines do you own?
2.
You have 2 of these.
Yep.
And just how much do these things cost?
Brand new or used?
Brand new.
Brand new. If you wanted this all brand new, $600,000.
600,000. So everything runs anywhere from 500 to 600,000.
Pretty much.
Pretty much. If you're going to get it done,
yeah,
you don't want to go any smaller.
Nope.
Nope.
That's what it takes.
This is something. Tim's not driving the combine. Nobody has their hand on the wheel. It's completely driving by GPS, and the sensors are sensing the aisles down on the forks there. What are those called?
Snouts.
Snouts?
Yep.
Those are snouts. So there are sensors on the snouts. Keeps everything lined up. This thing is incredible. And nobody's hand is on the steering wheel. It is absolutely driving by GPS. This is nuts. I've never seen anything like this in my life. And it's old hat for Tim. Tim's been doing this all his life. Wow, this is just incredible. What a piece of machinery.
Yeah, they really are. Even going through a curve, it'll...
No kidding, we're hitting a curve right now. And he doesn't have his hand on the wheel. And we are actually going through a curve. We're going one way. We're doing a chicane right now. This is something. Oh, there's a big wet spot right there.
Yeah.
Okay. How about that? You don't want to drive through that, right?
That was wet this spring and didn't get seeded.
Oh, okay.
And here
now what happened here?
It lodged.
What does that mean?
The wind got it.
Oh, the wind got it. Okay.
Yep, on the edges, sometimes the wind gets it.
So you got to slow down through here. It bogs down.
Yep. Try and get it picked up.
So you just do this day and night. How long can you go in one stint?
How much is up in there?
I suppose, you can go. I mean, during beats, we were doing 24-hour shifts.
You can do 24-hour shifts.
Yeah.
You're able to work this thing for 24 hours. Is that what you just said?
Yep.
All right, folks, I want you to see the window behind me. It is absolutely full of green. That is all corn kernels. Is that insane? That is absolutely amazing. I've never seen anything like this. That is fantastic. Look at, and we just went right down that road right there. So these corn rows are within less than 1 inch of accuracy because of the GPS. That goes for the planting and the harvesting. That's how accurate the GPS is on these machines. And here we are again, offloading the grain into the grain cart. This is absolutely incredible. So he lifts up the front end when he's done, so he can maneuver around.